Sunday pot roast, and the only seasoning you're gonna need is that Uncle Dibbz Texas steak rub. This is the perfect wintertime meal for the whole family. Grab your beef roast and then season it up with that Uncle Dibbz Texas steak rub. Get the flavor from UncleDibbz.com. Add some oil to a pot, get it on high, and sear all sides of your beef roast. We're not cooking it all the way, we're just searing it. Go ahead and take it out, set it to the side. Saute some garlic for 60 seconds. Then add some red wine to deglaze the pot. Add a couple of cups of beef broth. Then add that beef roast back to the pot. Add a quarter cup of soy sauce. Now it's time to add our veggies. I'm using some red potatoes, some carrots, some onion. I'm telling you right now, this is gonna have your house smelling amazing, shorty. Top it off with some rosemary, then throw it in the oven for 3 hours at 350. Then this is what you get. Use 2 forks to cut up that roast. Stir it up nice, grab you a bowl, and you're good to go. That's good, shorty.